And how long did this hike take?
2 ngày. 2 days.
Welcome back to another vlog. Finally, today is Christmas Day and it's 3 a.m. I'm so tired, but it's finally end of year trip. We can finally go out.
Yep, and today we are going up to Cairns.
So, let the adventure begin. From the border entry, and we have 11 or 12 cars, which are full, by the way, so 4 people in each car ish. So someone did the calculations, but we're all panicking because only like 2-3 of us got their results back, and so everyone just filled out the forms anyway, and hopefully we can make it in, but I don't know, we're all having a panic attack.
Yeah, and if we don't make it through the border, then that means we're gonna have to camp somewhere on the New South Wales side.
Yeah, which will not be good because we booked a lot of things for this trip, 1 month trip.
Yeah, that will push everything back.
Yeah, so we filled out our border pass forms anyway. Maybe the results will come in by then, but 2 hours, I don't think it will come in anytime soon. So everyone cross your fingers, we'll update you.
If we can get past the border.
Yeah, we just passed a sign that says get your permits ready. I'm so nervous. How do you feel?
You gotta shit my pants, man.
Oh my god, okay.
Just to cross our border. Why are we supposed
I know, I feel like I'm a criminal or something. Okay, but we got this. Hopefully everyone makes it through. Oh, he's just looking.
Have your pass?
Oh.
Look at your phone, the pass on your phone.
Full, Kevin.
Are we through?
I am through.
Oh my god! We made it! I think that's it, yeah?
I think that's it.
I think that's
we're
it!
through.
I think we're through! Oh my god, please let our whole family through. So all we did was show them our,
We showed them this.
yeah, we showed them this, our...
Oh yeah!
Is it the whole family? Is
We
that
don't
the
know.
last one?
That's the last one.
Get Kevin back and drive Altu's car back in.
Gotcha, be careful of these people merging. Oh my god, yes! I'm so happy! So, we celebrated a bit too early. Or most of our group got through except for Uncle Bun. He was held back. And now we're just trying to find a stop to meet up with him or like meet up with him somewhere, but we haven't heard any updates from him. So hopefully he can get through and we can continue our trip.
Yeah, 1 man short doesn't feel good.
Yeah. Feels like we left a member behind. But hopefully he gets through and our trip can go on. Okay guys, new update. Uncle Bun is finally through.
Yeah.
So tell him the story, babe.
So I think he went to another entry to pass the border,
Yeah.
and then when he went there, the lady asked him, "Oh, where's your border pass?" So he said, "Oh, I don't have a border pass." So the lady asked him, "Where are you going?" He was like, "We're just going up to Cairns camping." And then the lady just let him through.
Yeah, so
I don't know how or why.
she must have been so chilled.
But yeah, he is through. Everyone is accounted for.
Yes.
And we are going on holiday now.
Yes, we can finally and actually relax and have fun without worrying. We just made it to our destination for tonight in Brisbane. We are staying at the Ibis Budget Hotels over there. Just a little small
One night stop.
because tomorrow we are taking another 7-hour drive-ish up to Rockhampton. So we're just gonna chill out tonight. It's like 4 now.
Yeah.
Just unpack, shower, go eat and rest for tomorrow. Another big drive.
There's a Macca's across the road, so.
Is there? Oh yeah, there is.
Macca's dessert tonight, I guess.
Yeah, guess that's dinner. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock and we are at Shirley Clydesdale camping ground.
Yeah.
A farm stay. And look, there's horses! Aren't they so cute?
Little small horses, big horses.
They're pretty big. I wouldn't call them small.
No, there's small ones.
Wait, oh, so cute. Yeah, so we're finally here and then, look, there's pigs. Oink. Yeah, so we're at this we're at this little farm stay for I believe 3 nights. Around 2 nights, and then we'll go somewhere else. But for now, this is our stay, our home. So we'll show you around. We set up camp here, and yeah, we'll enjoy the stay here. Hey guys, so we parked and everything. I'm not sure which walk we're on. We kind of just like found a path and we're walking now. Oh, what does that say? Oh, the treetop canopy walk. There we go. Yeah, it's a very easy walk. So I believe he's heading out to the lookout.
Stop behind me.
So I can screenshot. Oh, and now we're entering the elevated boardwalk. I see it.
Hey, this one's more fun.
Look at this. How sensational. It really does just loop around. Very easy walk.
Yeah.
I think it was only like 1 minute from the car park. Was it 1, 2?
What do you mean?
1 minute or 2 minutes from car park?
Yeah. Oh, look how nice
Wow,
that
look
looks.
at this.
Oh my god.
It's more of like a bowl shape.
Yeah.
So the horizon comes up a lot quicker than you expect, and it gives like a sort of like vertigo effect.
Is this my right? Okay. Yes, it is.
I have to fact check. This is Mount Archer in Rockhampton. But unfortunately the weather is not that nice there.
It's okay. And the view is
But
still nice.
Still a good view.
How was the walk, Dad?
oh, very easy walk. It was
Nó
very
walk
long.
very hard. Đừng có nhà đi. Đừng có đi.
I have to drink a bottle of water. I'm gonna drink half already by the time I reach up here.
Nói là you have to climb from there.
Climb from where, Uncle Benson?
All those
Đó, phải
houses.
climb all the way down there. Phải climb up.
And how long did this hike take?
2 ngày. 2 days. You can't make it, don't come up.
I think it was only like 1 minute from the car park. If you're not experienced like us, then even try.
You're gonna be very fit.
You gotta be very fit.
We're fully equipped.
Fully fit.
No. This is the start of the journey. This is the end. You start, then you come up here, you like this. Đó.
So we just made a loop around the boardwalk.
Didn't even feel like a loop though.
Yeah, it was really quick. There was another small hike, but the rain is coming down pretty hard. So we're gonna
I
go.
don't want to go back to camp. It was kind of boring.
Yeah, but
go somewhere else.
I think we'll try to find somewhere else to go.
We should go eat.
Yeah.
But I can't survive
Eat.
on
We
that.
just ate.
And
No, we didn't.
Like,
Yeah. But it's okay. We'll find somewhere to go.
Oh, smells
sausage.
smells like Bunnings.
Okay, we'll
How
be
do you
right
think
back.
I want? 6.
Wow! So guys, we took a little detour down to Sandy Point.
Sandy Point in the Byfield National Park.
Yeah, and how long was it driving?
It was about maybe 20 minutes of potholes. Potholes all the way from the pavement road all the way unsealed to unsealed road, potholes. Now we're finally on the beach.
Yeah, and did you expect this?
No, I was expecting a lighthouse, cliff.
Sort of thing, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Look where
we ended up on a beach. A forward driving.
Yeah.
Meanwhile.
Pull up, order over to this side. Yeah. Good job, like that, good job. Dad, yeah, you got both your parents, good job. See, you controlled your brakes so good already, all good. Oh my goodness, good job, keep going.
Much later.
Let go of the accelerator. Clutch only. Clutch only. Clutch only. Keep going. Let go, let go, let go.
10 seconds later.
Oh, one hand. That was so good. Good job.
Cười nó, tao quạt cho mình cười nữa. Vậy á mà nó lên.
Look at Kevin's running. Look at.